Hi, this is Sonia, and today is Sunday, and this in the background is my friend Barbara. And Barbara said I have to shoot a video every day, even on Sundays. So we are here on the beach, and we are just chilling and enjoying. And this is my video for today because she said I have to shoot a video every day, even on Sundays when I'm off. Okay, you have a fantastic day, and I'll talk to you soon. Much love. My foot. That's so beautiful.